if we want to move this forward, we've got to invest and be darn proud of what we've invested in. Push to be not just a good one, how about the top 1 or 2 in the world? This is the focus that we should have at this university for everything that we do. NextGen is one of those vehicles to get us there.
NextGen is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The research that's going to be done there provides the catalyst for us to be able to fix and reimagine rural healthcare. I mean, this is the only time I think that anybody that's controlling purse strings at the state level is ever going to have a chance to make an investment that can have this type of impact.
I can't think of a better way to spend tax dollars than to put it towards fighting cancer or fighting heart disease. And I think if we don't have these dollars, we don't have those cures for tomorrow. So we need to look at the next generation and how are we going to improve the health of the lives of our children and our grandchildren.
I'm proud to see Missouri become the home of this brand new facility where students will have the opportunity to work alongside medical researchers, developing new treatments for the most costly and deadly diseases.
Obviously, this is my university, this is my wife's university. We're proud of Mizzou's achievements, but you can't be just proud of its past achievements, you know? And so to be able to be proud going forward, we have to invest.
I think it's important that if you've become successful and you're fortunate, you have a role and an obligation to make society a better place. I believe that the gift that I'm giving is actually going to be multiplied many times over through the center. But the real benefit to Missouri long-term is that companies and industry will want to come here.
The amazing partnerships we have with industry, it's really unique, and I never saw this at any of my prior institutions. Dr. Choi, he and his staff have made tight partnerships with Siemens, with Thermo Fisher, with Cerner, and they want to come here to University of Missouri Columbia to be part of the NextGen Institute.
When I think about how Missouri fits into Siemens, the reason why we fit so well is the people. As we look to expand precision medicine, as we look to improve patient experience, as we look to transform care delivery, well, we found that aligned exactly with what University of Missouri was wanting to do. There's this uniqueness of Missouri, and this has been one of the fastest moving relationships and partnerships that I've been involved in, of concept to reality, that I've seen, and I've been here a long time.
University of Missouri is my beloved alma mater. NextGen can fast-track the university's cutting-edge technologies, industry collaborations, and effectively utilize the deep bench of faculty, researchers, and students that are participating in the journey.
The future is coming, and there will be all kinds of advanced technologies, all kinds of discoveries that we will all consume as citizens, as people. But the difference that we have right here at Mizzou with our NextGen Center is we could be the discoverer, the inventor, and that's what makes a difference here. I'd much rather be the inventor than just the consumer. And that will bring pride to the university. It'll bring economic development to the university, to the surrounding areas, and provide employment to many, many people who don't have it today.